I'm not sure what's going on with this music. So upset. I'm upset. Oh no, not right now, please. Ready for blow? Oh my god, I should be ashamed. Jesus. I think it was like, I'm not sure because when I was in America, I used to use Lash Paradise by L'Oreal, but I'm not sure. Maybe it was new, or maybe it was another one. I can't remember. But definitely that Lash girl. Go check him out. Go check him out. And I also want to say that I want to show you which one this is. 2N. I already showed you. I got this forever. Sorry, my nose started running. Do you mind if I blow my nose again? What we need now is my white liner and I'm gonna do like this. And now black eyeliner. Oh my god. Okay, I look like a panda, don't I? Let me clean this once. Please let me live, like, for real. I have a life to live, like, whoa. Do we want to gossip? I have no idea what to say about gossip. Like, I don't know shit about anybody. And we got this again. I think I need to spray my annihilator or whatever it's called. Then we have, next step is gonna be contouring, right? A little bit at least. I'm not gonna cut out this part because I'm not editing. There's a fucking insect inside here. It's so scary. Please, Bee, get out. Bee, get out. Oh my god, I'm so scared right now. I'm almost ready. Oh my gosh, it's so sad.